32, Sudler Rewards Club representative, a model, a content creator, your king of the world, Philippines, Bulacan Province.
Verdict is 25. National banker, part-time owner. Your king of the world, Philippines,
Praxis, a 25-year-old singer, host, and a marketing professional. Your king of the world, Philippines, Cagayan de Oro.
Bacoy Bruno Alcawili, 27, a public servant, a passionate HIV and mental health awareness advocate. Your king of the world, Philippines, Cagayan Province.
Robert Mendoza, 23, graduate of Bachelor of Science in Physical Education, a coach and a model. Your king of the world, Philippines, and Rizal.
Rochelle Peria, 24, model, artist, and aesthetic nurse. Your king of the world, Philippines, Steve of Kalamba.
John Christopher Lagos, professional model and aesthetic ambassador. Your king of the world, Philippines, Caloocan City.
Vince Arbanarino, 18, senior high school student and an athlete. Your king of the world, Philippines, Cebu City.
Amelo Jan Mendoza Alegro, 23, Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management and playing basketball. Your king of the world, Philippines, City of Dasmariñas, Cavite.
Mabuhay o Pareal, I am Norman Aquino Coronel Jr., 34, working as a VIP host, operation officer, Akalas File, your king of the world, Philippines, City of Davao.
Hi, I'm Justine Villarao Reyes, 23. A freshman working student taking Bachelor of Science in Psychology, calisthenic athlete, a representative and an advocate for PWD, your king of the world, Philippines, Delfino Bano Isabela.
Arthur Karen Alvarez, a model and a theater actor. And I just recently finished my Juris Doctor degree. Your king of the world, Philippines, Cagayan Laguna.
John Edwin Galpo, 26 years of age, a global Filipino, professional in the automotive industry, a licensed member of the Philippine Air Force, ranking as an airman, a fashion model, and an advocate of mental health awareness and traditional masculinity. King of the world, Filipino community of Kingdom of Saudi Arabia.
Christian Monteadora, 30 years old, a senior welfare advocate, online content creator, and professional model. Your king of the world, Philippines, Las Piñas.
John Eric Kaligayahan, 27, a flight attendant and a private chef of my family. King of the world, Philippines, Laguna Province.
Malagang, Bueno, Abarista, and Canan, king of the world, Philippines, Sena City.
Karin Marcelino, 23, an athlete, membership ambassador at Newport Road Resorts, a model. Your king of the world, Philippines, Malolos, Bulacan.
Lorenzo Banyas, 21, a physical therapy student and an athlete student. Your king of the world, Philippines, Malitli, Santa Rosa.
For Narciso, 22, a bona fide student of Silliman University. King of the world, Philippines, Negros Oriental.
Hi, my name is Christian Mendoza, 22 years of age. A student, a leader in a church organization, and a model, an advocate of quality of fundamental education. Your king of the world, City of Manila.
Marvin Manibo, 29 years old, a licensed mechanical engineer and a mental health advocate. Your king of the world, Philippines, province of Oriental Mindoro.
Mark Christian Libril, 22 years old, graduating as a management accountant, a passionate mental health advocate, a working student and ambassador and a model. From the rice granary capital of the Philippines, your King of the World Philippines, Nueva Ecija.
Name Gonaldo Kanyarimamen. Art Christian Nama, 24. BS Psychology graduate and a mental health advocate. Our King of the World Philippines, Robinson Pangasinan.
Maya Pagkatpanapon, Kailanman. Xavier Joe Zapata, 23. A culinary arts student. A young entrepreneur. King of the World Philippines, Pampanga!
Jose Nathaniel Bautista, 24, an advocate of transparency and good governance, and a man driven by passion. Your King of the World Philippines, Pasig City.
Kevin Daniel Pepito, 24, graduated as a cum laude in BS Information Technology and and also a professional model, the King of the World Philippines, Parañaque City.
Tino Olivares, an educator, print and TV commercial model, and a visual artist. Your King of the World Philippines, Quezon Province.
Edward Pante, 19, a youth advocate and a man of resilience. Taas ko, Rizaleño, because I am your King of the World Philippines, Rizal Province.
Karen Tizon Blanch, 25, a proud graduate of Bachelor of Arts in Communication and now a marketing associate at Lloyd Casino. Your King of the World Philippines, Municipality of San Jose, from the province of Tarlac.
John Paul Ramirez Juanillo, 29, HR branch manager and an environmental advocate, your King of the World, Philippines, Quezon City.
JV Dagon, 25, a fashion model, commercial model, a streamer, and a student. Your King of the World Philippines, Santa Rosa, Laguna.
J. Ryan Ramos, 19. Senior high school STEM student, your King of the World Philippines, San Pablo City.
Your King of the World Philippines, Subic Zambales.
Noel Dominguez Dormeo, student and model. Your King of the World Philippines, Santa Cruz.
Sandy Tiangas, 27, a gym manager, an artist rapper, your King of the World, Tuguegarao City.
John Alvin Apitan Mendoza, 24, architecture student, model, and a travel consultant. Your King of the World Philippines, Nagpoyan Quezon.
Agora Masti Atinante, 22 years old, future educator, and a student athlete. Your King of the World Philippines, province of Zambales.
General Nico, 19, a Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management student, and a proud Camonense, your King of the World, province of Laguna!